still on the party. My people, we love the fair. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Big business now in this country, making people swear. I done with the commentary, but she does not pay. Waste of time recording when I hardly get to play. So when I come to sing, it's passion that I bring. Just like Amila, I'll be partying. Wave a rag in the party, forget the big deficit. Jump up, now feet in the party, cause I live in making the sweat. Push back, wind up and go down, forget about mortgage and rent. Shout pow pow when they party, cause your pocket in. Pow 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 pow. Every day is a party, and every place is a fair. We fed to left, and fed to right. From the day, right through tonight, we fed to hot, and fed to cold. From the young, right through to old party, 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 party. Every day is a party, Christmas all through late. Christians into the party, check experience change. And a new experience, catching on bouquet. You jamming in gang, is the way some like to play. But then with issues, social commentary dying. I'm a socoholic now, betting is my thing. Wave a rag in the party, forget about the crime. Jump up, now feet in the party, you're hardly making a dime. Push back, wind up and go down, just like the go. Jump pow pow when they party and watch your money go. Pow 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 pow. Every day is a party, and every place is a fair. Fed to left, and fed to right. From the day, right through tonight, we fed to hot, and fed to cool. From the young, right through to old party, 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 party. Boom ba doom boom boom, boom ba doom boom boom, boom ba doom boom boom, boom boom boom. At back to soul, more party, and overload, more party. At back in time, and deep line, more party. What that mean? More party, and entertain, more party. Kalel Kappa, and after that party, 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 party.
Yes, every day is a party. You see that moves? That is a cooler. You may have heard of him, but if you haven't, you can check him out in the Kingdom Hall of Super Gladiators. They may not look like it, but these men are fighting fit. And sitting with us is the man known as Jacko. Good morning, Jacko.
Good morning. Good morning.
You're just super cool, aren't you?
Just super gladiator cool.
Special kind of cool, you know.
Yeah, special kind
Special
of cool.
kind of cool.
I like that. So, Gladiators have launched already for the...
Oh yeah. Pretty good so far, you know, pretty good so far. I judged already with Party People, which is part of Gladiators, last Friday night.
So you had your judging already?
I had my judging already with the party.
Oh.
And now Social is coming up on this Friday night.
So you have a party song too?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm going to perform it for you.
Oh, you are?
Ah, yeah.
Oh, I can't wait.
Tell us a little about it.
Well, it's celebration time, celebrating crop over. That's the general idea, celebrating crop over.
Okay.
So is it a strong mix of social commentary and party? And
More party than social commentary.
More party.
More
So
party.
a visit to the Kingdom Hall is like a visit to a fete.
Correct. Right.
Or as the phrase has been coined, a fent. Somewhere between a fete and a tent.
Yes.
Well, do you have a date for judging for the Gladiators, for the Kaiso as
Yeah,
yet?
this coming Friday, the 8th of July, 8 p.m. sharp. We'll be right there.
So tell me what the background has been from your fellow Kingdom Holders, as it were. How are they feeling about the festival, their music, other people's music? What's the buzz?
Hype.
we like it. We like it. And we could see from the energy that Akola gave us on stage that that's where everyone is going.
Yeah.
So let me get a little bit of a background on Jacko now. Let's start. You start long, well, not so long, but young, I should say, because you're looking kind of young still.
Still
so
young.
you started younger. So
Yeah.
give us a background.
Well, I started with the children's party stuff with Auntie Alga, Doris Provincial, Alfred Pringle, Joe through the time, and I came up through that. Then I stopped, went overseas, came back, jumped in Calypso at 2000 with Stray Cats, went straight to Party Monarch, first year out.
Jeez.
Yeah, and was kicking ever since.
Kicking ever since. All right, well, I like
Can't
to
keep
hear
a
that.
good man down.
I
Hey,
like to hear that. So, what do you prefer then? You prefer the party, or you?
definitely
try
I'm a
to-
party man more than social commentary. Definitely party,
Yeah.
definitely.
All right. Well, let's bring in Akola, who's now.
Caught his breath.
I don't want to say
He did
that.
not
but
lose
man,
the
I'm
breath.
okay.
True. But all of that energy, I mean, Kader.
Yeah.
Morning.
Akola,
Morning.
it's been a while.
Yeah, I'm still around.
In the business, still there, knocking at the doors. How's it going?
Not bad, This year started off slowly, but it's picking up.
Well, tell us about that tune, the inspiration behind the song, because we saw some serious energy as you did your thing just a few moments
Movementation,
ago.
as people them say.
Well, basically, I didn't sing for the last 2 years. And after I left one of the Calypso things last year, I left with this song, After Judging Night, in my head. After watching what I would call a very good performance, I come out saying, this is the party land, and every day is the party.
So what do you do? Test it on the home circle first? Test
Hum it in the
among
shower.
friends,
Well, I sing the songs nearly every day, and I drive in when I walk in, when I do my things, till I get it where I want it,
Nice.
So when did you decide that this was the track you were going with? I mean, 2 years is a long time for a tune to kind of be bouncing around in your
No,
head.
I only started this one last year. I didn't sing for 2 years.
Okay.
But sometimes something come up and you feel good about it and you do it, So this was one of the songs I felt comfortable with.
Well, you certainly look comfortable with it.
Yeah, you can't sing a song about party and stand up like you're dead.
Okay then.
So some of those moves are unique to Akola.
I don't consider myself to be a dancer, but when the music playing, I feel a thing.
Yeah.
How do you feel about Crop Over? I mean, it's a number of years, and our festival is still described as the sweetest summer festival. Give us a comment.
Well, Crop Over is essential to Barbados. Basically, it does something for the economy. It gives the artists an outlet for their creativity, people to let off energy, and it is something that the society needs, It brings people here to see what we have to offer, and I think we need to just work with it to make sure that it works for us. It is not going to remain one way all the time, but it is essential.
That sounds like good advice, working with it. But we've seen Jacko, we've seen you perform, we're going to see Jacko. Tell us a little bit more about some of the other people who are in the Kingdom Hall of Super Gladiators. Apollo, what is his style? What is he doing?
Well, Apollo is out of UE. He won the Monarchy there before, and he's now, I think he came second this year. Very strong on social commentary, good performer, nice voice. One of the young people that I think will go far.
Yeah, so Gladiators also kind of like nurturing, bringing in younger people and trying to keep that thing going.
That always happens, and there's always strong social commentary. A lot of people have passed through Gladiators. Almost everybody that is involved with Calypso would have passed through Gladiators at some time. But Gladiators now is known for Dre, who was a constant semi-finalist. We have Jazz Stone, went last year, Malika, Lady Aisha, Gallon.
All right, let's pause on the list there because we're going to take in the performance from
Celebration time.
Jacko. Let's celebrate with Jacko.
Celebration time. All right. Celebration. This year I ain't gonna be late. Celebration. I come out to celebrate. Celebration. Man, I'm doing the dog and the rat. Spring garden are coming down, and nothing can hold me back. On Gadooment Day, when I get out there on the road, I painting the town. Looking left and right, soca music, street people partying all around. And when you see the women in them mushrooms. Me dog release out too far. Again, wine with them down low and cut them down to the ground. Celebration. This year when I hit the road. Celebration. I go release a heavy load. Celebration. I am playing no tick for tack. Spring garden are coming down and nothing can hold me back. Celebration time. All right. This is crop over time. Pump it up. Pump it up. All right. Celebration. This year when I hit the road. Celebration. I go release a heavy load. Celebration. I ain't playing no tick for tack. Spring garden are coming down and nothing can hold me back. When you see the vendors selling them goods and the tuck bar licking a beat. Soca music sweet, make you move your feet. You don't give a damn about the heat. And if you really don't want to hear no talk, you're taking a piece of pan. You could come with me down low and party down for the sand. Celebration. It is trouble from me this year. Celebration. Man, I'm making it crystal clear. Celebration. I'm making sure I work on me back. Spring garden are coming down and nothing can hold me back. I let me celebrate and jump in a band. I let me celebrate. Let me play some pan. I let me celebrate. A masquerade on the road. I let me celebrate. I go release a heavy load. I let me celebrate.
Wake up.